Hey, me again, just checking in super quick. Did you get a chance to check this out? As I scroll through, it was like 5 different emails.
Wow, you got a lot of emails like that, eh?
From people begging for free advertising.
Yeah, they don't even offer anything in return?
No, today we're talking all about how to spread the word about your product without annoying everybody. Has this ever happened to you? Do people ever message you asking for free publicity?
Well, yeah, many times. People, they got nothing in return. They go straight for the favor, you know?
Yeah. So I've been blogging for 12 years now. It's taken me a while to build my audience. My Instagram's got 10,000 followers. That's taken a while. I'm not saying this to brag, but I spent so much time building my brands up. What makes you think I'm just gonna promote your product for free?
Well, yeah, you worked hard to get where you are. Why are you gonna give away freebies?
Like the other day, someone just said, oh, it'd be super helpful if you could share this with your audience. Translation, I want to steal your audience.
Well, yeah, or it's the same thing. You say a lot of people ask for free books.
Yeah.
You know, I've had people ask me for free stuff too, and I'm thinking, you know, they're just doing it. They're trying to save money. You know, good for you for trying to save money.
Yeah.
But you're not showing support, and we don't appreciate it.
Well, yeah. So if you want someone, let's say you want to promote a new product or a new business, or you want to just promote something. Here's the first step. Step number 1. Before you ask that person, make sure that you're in their network and their periphery, or you're on their radar. You know.
Well, yeah, like try to make friends first, at least.
Not even, yeah, that's true. But some people that just said you're not gonna be friends with everybody. But at least be supportive. Like if you're gonna ask me for a favor, at least buy one of my books. You know, if you don't have the money, comment on my social media.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like try to be friends. As in, try to be friendly. Do something friendly first.
Yeah. So you have to let that person know you support them, and so this person that messaged me asking for free stuff, they don't like any of my stuff. Maybe they do once in a while. They don't comment, they don't share, they don't interact.
Yeah.
Never bought any of my stuff. Never show any support, any appreciation. They just want me to promote their product for free to my audience.
You know, recently I heard there's a saying about give, and then ask.
Yeah, jab, hook, right? That's Gary Vee.
Oh yeah, I guess that was him.
Yeah, and what's that book? How to Win Friends and Influence People. They say always ask people about them instead of always ask how you can help instead of getting people to try to promote you, you know? In How to Win Friends and Influence People, and also Never Eat Alone, 2 good books on the topic, they stress that you should always be giving value and asking how you can help before you can just take things from people.
Yeah, you know what, I realized it the hard way, because I reached out to a few authors and historians.
Yeah.
And I went straight for the favor of, hey,
straight for the kill.
Yeah, I was like, hey, can you send me these photos of this?
Yeah.
And one guy was just kind of like, came back with, no, sorry, Trevor. I've been researching this stuff for decades, and I don't want to. This is what he said. He said, I don't want to deplete the value of my collection by just handing it out to whoever asks.
He's got a good point.
Yeah. Well, at first I'm like, what do you mean anybody? I'm Trevor. I'm the time traveler. Well, hold on. This guy. Yeah, I know. This guy's been at it for decades, and as we just said earlier, he's worked hard to get where he is, and I showed up asking for a freebie.
Yeah. So never. First one is always be a part of the person's network. The second part to getting publicity or for people to care about your business. It's never ask for a favor in the first email, the first outreach, you know?
That's what I'm saying. I learned that the hard way.
Like all these messages on Instagram or email, they're so awkward, and I get it. It's like the Tinder Theory. If you send enough people the same generic message, if you copy and paste the same message 100 times.
They know.
But you figure one person will reply. So instead of sending 100 messages and praying to God one person replies, it's better to focus in on a few, right?
And doing the proper job of winning their respect.
And the third step to getting publicity or for people to care about your brand is to send them something, show them something, you know? Like this person messaged me and they're like, oh, I'm starting a food service, can you promote it?
Yeah.
And I don't need your free food, but it's also like, I don't know who you are.
So they didn't even send you a link?
No, I don't know anything about your service, and at least you should give samples out if you're trying to get publicity, right? If you're gonna message someone way more popular than you, at least give them
well, I guess that's like you're giving first.
Yeah,
they should give you some food first,
or something. Like I don't know if this is good or not. I can't promote your food service if I don't know if it's good or not.
If you're promoting it and it turns out, oh, this food's terrible, didn't you try it first?
Yeah, people. No. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh no, I didn't eat it. I just said it was fine.
Yeah. Imagine I promote your food. Yeah, and my followers are gonna be like, "Well, this food
sucks."
Yeah.
Like, oh, maybe I should have thought about it first.
And you made a good point off camera. You said, what did you say about struggling?
Oh, that we're all struggling. Don't use that as an excuse for asking for a freebie all the time, you know? Or especially if you do something selfish and then if somebody calls you out on it, you come back, well, I'm struggling financially, man. I've got kids to feed. Most people have kids to feed.
Or issues, yeah.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Most people are struggling with issues. Don't use that as an excuse for selfish behavior.
I agree. So even if you don't have the money to support somebody or to add value, you can add value so many different ways. For a small business, you can leave a review on Google. That goes a long way. Do like an iTunes review or any kind of review. That goes a long way. You could spread the word, like share about their business on social media. So maybe somebody, if you don't have the money, one of your friends could buy from that business.
And you should do that first without them asking.
Oh yeah.
Right? Like, because if you want other people to support you, you should try supporting others first. You shouldn't wait for them to ask you to leave you a review or something. You should just do it.
And never ever send a cold email asking for something. If you do send a cold email, just say nothing. Just say something like, oh, I like your work, blah, blah, blah.
It's not going to work. Don't even bother.
Or something, yeah. But never ask in the first email, hey, can you share my stuff?
You know, I saw an example of this morning. It's not a big deal, but, you know, I'm a part of these Lego fanatic groups. And somebody clearly spent months working on this masterpiece of a design, posts a picture, and the first guy to comment is like, hey, man, can you send me the instructions to your design? And I thought, no, don't ask that guy this. He works so hard, and here you are asking for a freebie. You didn't even say good job. You just asked for the design.
Yeah, it's lame. No cold emails, no asking for free shit until you've earned it, and always help others. Thanks for watching.